When I was a little girl, about age 9 to 10 years old, in the morning my mother used to make me breakfast before I go to school. For some reason, yeah, it's like I just couldn't get enough. I used to stop at Miss Esther and still go buy more fried dumpling. When I go to school, I have no lunch money, so whatever me eat have to serve me until evening. So you can see how much I love fried dumpling and still love fried dumpling. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some traditional fried dumpling. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Annie. So you're going to be needing 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and I'm going to use my hands to mix it all around. Mix all the ingredients. Make sure you wash your hands though before you do all of that. So you're going to need some water. I've got mine over here. I'm going to add the water to the flour to make the dough. I'm going to make a little hole in the middle and keep pouring in the water. You're going to be needing about 1.5 cups of water to mix the dough. While I'm mixing it, I'm squeezing the flour together to make that dough. Keep tipping in the water. You don't want to get it too soft. You want to have a firm dough. I'm just going to tip a little bit here. See, I don't like my flour when it's like all bumpy. I like it to be smooth, so I won't stop kneading it until I get that look. So now that I've finished making the dough, I'm going to leave it to rest for a little while so I can go and prepare the oil. So I'm just going to rest this over here. So I'm going to be preparing the dough to be fried. See, it's all nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do is to roll it in my palm of my hand like this. Break them into small bits, small balls. So this is how you're looking for your dough to look at this point. So I'm going to take the dough again, mold it in the palm of my hand, and mold them into little flat round balls. So out of the dough, I've managed to get 12 dough balls. So only thing we need to do now is to fry these. So I've already prepped the oil over here. Now we're going to put the dumplings in. So I like to roll them a little bit again and just put a little dent in the middle. So the temperature I'm using is a low to medium heat. So as they start to get golden, you keep turning them because you don't want to keep them too long on one side because you don't want them to be burned. You'll know when your dumplings are fried when you put the fork in and it came out nice and clean. So now that they are finished, I'm going to remove them from the oil and put them on this to cool. So this is my traditional Jamaican fried dumpling and I hope yours have turned out just like mine. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe and I hope to see you in another one.